In today's video, we're going to walk you through the Bridge CMVR local configuration utility page. Let's get started. First, to access the Bridge CMVR local configuration utility page, you'll need to be on-site with a monitor and keyboard. Depending on your device and model, specific cables may be required. Be sure to check your Eagle Eye datasheet for the correct ports and connections for your device. Once you're logged in with your credentials, you'll land on the device local configuration utility page. This is your main interface for managing and viewing your device's information. Here, you'll find key system details for your Bridge or CMVR, including serial number, GUID, ESN, attached ID, version, model, state, routing. This info is crucial when you need to reach out to Eagle Eye support. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for us to assist you. Next, let's take a look at the three main sections in the local configuration utility: Configure, Diagnostics, Administration. Let's start with the Configure section. The Configure section lets you manage your network connections. You'll find options for your WAN and CAM LAN, as well as Wi-Fi settings, though Wi-Fi is only available on certain models. If you need more information on this, be sure to reach out to your sales engineer. Now, let's break down the WAN and CAM LAN settings. WAN, Wide Area Network, connects your device to a larger network, often spanning large geographical areas. CAM LAN, Camera Local Area Network, is specifically designed for connecting cameras, typically in video surveillance setups to link cameras with a network video recorder or video management system. In this section, you can configure the IP settings for both networks. Based on your network needs, you can choose DHCP for automatic IP assignment or configure a static IP range. Next is the Diagnostics section, where you'll find the Run Network Diagnostics tool. This tool helps identify and resolve potential network issues that could impact your device's performance. It checks the health of your connections and provides valuable insights for optimizing your system setup. Finally, in the Administration section, you'll find three options: Reboot device, Factory reset, Change password. These options are straightforward. Reboot your device, restore factory settings, or change your admin password for added security. Keep in mind that navigation in the Bridge CMVR local configuration utility is done entirely through the keyboard. There's no mouse support, so make sure you're familiar with the keyboard shortcuts for smooth navigation. And that's a quick overview of the Bridge CMVR local configuration utility page. We hope this guide helps you manage and configure your device with ease. Thanks for watching.